everyone, so welcome back in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to discuss a very interesting topic and that is F string in Python. So what is F string basically? F string is a new string formatting mechanism that is used to make the code easy to write and easy to understand. So in this video, I'm going to discuss this F string. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So here I will take two variables. So first I'm going to take score. Let's suppose it's 120 and the weight again it's 50. So here I have two variables and I want to print score and weight. So for this I have to write your score is, and then I have to concatenate score. So now here score and weight is integer, so we have to convert first into this string because we can't concatenate integer. So for this we have to convert first into this string. So here I will write score and weight is, so again I have to put into the quote. You can put in single quote or double quote. And weight is, again I have to concatenate the string and here I will write weight. If I run this code, so here is the output. So basically this is the method usually we do to print the string, but it's becomes like for this we have to do so many things. First here I put into first this is the in double quote, again we have to convert into the string and then we have to concatenate. So it's become so much confusing and even to write and even to understand. So here comes the F string method. So in F string method what we do, like suppose that I have scored this one and weight this one, I want to print. So for this I will write print f and then I will put quote, and now you can write whatever you want to write. So here I want to write your score is, and variable we have to put into the curly braces. So I have two variable score and weight. So I will write score, your score is this, and weight is, so here I will write this variable and now I will run this code. So now to write the string it's become so much easy and it's become so much understandable. So I hope it's clear to you all, and thank you so much for watching this. Please do consider like and subscribe.